In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send auto mail from Aweber. To get started, log into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Automations, then choose Workflow. This area is where you build automated sequences that send emails for you, based on a trigger. Next, click Create Workflow. Aweber will ask how you want to begin. You can start from scratch if you want full control, or you can choose a template if you prefer a quicker setup. Either option works for sending automatic emails, so choose the one that best matches your comfort level. After that, you will name your campaign. Pick a name that clearly describes what the automation is for, like a welcome email or a new subscriber follow-up. Clear names help you stay organized later, especially if you create multiple workflows. Once you have named it, click Create. Now it is time to choose the trigger, which is what starts the automation. Select On Subscription. This means the workflow will begin automatically whenever someone subscribes to your list. This is one of the most common and reliable triggers for auto email campaigns. With the trigger set, you will add the action that sends your email. From the available actions, drag Send Message into the workflow. Make sure it connects in the correct place so it follows your subscription trigger. If it is not connected, the email will not send, so take a moment to confirm the flow looks continuous. Then click Create a Message and select Drag and Drop Email Builder. This opens the editor where you can design your email. Add your subject line and content, and keep your message clear and readable. Use simple formatting, and if you include links, verify they are correct before saving. When you are satisfied with the design, click Save and Exit. Give it a moment to load, since Aweber may take a second to process the message and return you to the workflow. Finally, click Publish and Turn On. This is the step that activates everything. Without publishing and turning it on, your workflow stays in draft, and no automatic emails will go out. And that is all there is to it.